Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the coleus plant, and more specifically I'm going to answer the question, why is my coleus turning yellow or losing its color? So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to use two plants as an example. I'm using this one, which is this really pretty crimson red and yellow flower or yellow leaves, with more of a traditional coleus that's green and pink, what you'd buy from the store. The reason I'm using these is this is what happens when a plant becomes yellow or loses its color. This was grown in direct sunlight from last year, so I've had this plant for like a year, and I'm trying to grow it into like a kind of like more of a tree-ish. And I left it in the sun, and what you will see is it turned yellow and lost all its color just from sun bleaching. So it was originally green like that, and then I just grew it in the sun, direct sunlight. I live in Southern California, so it was just completely direct sunlight. I kept it really watered so it didn't die, but it just bleached. So when your coleus is turning yellow or losing its color, it's because it's in too much sunlight. It's either too much sunlight or the heat from the sunlight. So if you want to keep it kind of these more traditional coleus color, it needs to be in a partial shade or a protected area with a little bit of sunlight. If you grow it in too much sun, it gets this bleaching color and turns yellow, which I think looks really cool. If you do it right and you take care of it, you'll get this beautiful crimson red. But yeah, if you notice that it's turning yellow or becoming bleached or losing its color, it's just in too much sun and you need to move it.